coming or something. He's supposed to be calling in like any minute now. Like any minute. He'll be calling in. Hold on. Let me get the phone. Hold on. Hello? Jackson. Yeah. What? You found Manuel Noriega in the Philippines? He has a mansion? Okay. We're on it right now. Bye.
Hey yo, we light a candle, run laps around the English Channel. Neptunes, I got a cocker spaniel. We on the run now, you know it ain't no fun now. And where I go, yo, this can't even come now. You ain't the law, break it. I don't care, but when you get caught, remember that I don't care. NRE, love throughout the atmosphere. That mean now we on the run, yo, if that ain't clear, we wanna snitch, yo, but that ain't fair. Yo, we down in Vegas, all these guys too courageous. I know I'm on the run, but still rip stages. They call me Animal Dog when I'm in cages. I used to boom phrases, roll dice with no aces. Now I live secluded in the oasis. Gotta take spaces, no time for car races. Check my sky, tell I got foul pages. What? You hit Louisiana, then Atlanta, Indiana. Forget the city slicker, got country grammar. And yo, we
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the first annual Mr. KHS pageant. Your MCs for this evening are Christina Stranson and Nikki Rose.
Good evening, and welcome to the first ever Mr. KHS. Before we start, we'd like to thank everyone who made this event possible. Nick and I would also like to thank the participants in this event and all the people in the audience supporting the senior class.
We hope you all enjoy the show tonight. What we're trying to do here is start a new tradition. The class of 99 wants to be remembered for something, and though we'll be remembered for a lot, this is probably one of the biggest things that we've ever tried to do. We brought this idea to our advisor at the beginning of the year, and she was kind of like, oh, wow, that's different. You know, I never heard about this. But it all turned out good. These guys have worked really hard, so we hope you really enjoy this. Okay, before we bring out the guys again, wasn't that a powerful entrance? We have to start by introducing our judges for tonight. Judge number 1, Mrs. Susan Rosenstone Laro. Mrs. Rosenstone has been our class advisor for the past 4 years and has done an outstanding job. She has always been willing to hear out each of our new ideas, including this, the first ever Mr. KHS pageant. She has been totally supportive of this and many other things that we've come up with. Mrs. Rosenstone currently teaches teaches art at KHS, but we'll soon be losing her to Woodstock Academy, where she'll be the art department chair. We wish her luck, and we'll miss her a lot.
Judge number 2, Mr. Ed Laro. Mr. Laro is an alumni of Killenly High School. He graduated in 1983. Ed played on the 1981 state championship football team and opened the Fitness Factory in 1995. He is currently completing his newest venture, the Millennium Ballroom and the Club Millennium, both to open in the spring of 1999. He is also a competitive biathlete and bike racer.
Our next judge, number 3, is Ms. Julie Carroll. Ms. Carroll is fairly new to KHS, but she has already made a positive impact. She has taken on as yearbook advisor and the Redline advisor for our school newspaper. She is also an outstanding English teacher, and we wish her luck, and we know that she'll be doing great things for Killingley High School in the future.
Judge number 4, Mr. Spadoni. Mr. Spadoni is also a fairly new teacher here at Killingley High. And he has obviously made a good impression on the whole student body. Mr. Spadoni is in the tech ed department and just recently took on a new role as co-advisor for the senior class. Good luck.
And finally, judge number 5, Mrs. Sheila Johnson. Mrs. Johnson is known and loved by the majority of our class. Many of us were lucky to have her here for us as freshmen in our English classes. She is a major advocate for school spirit and has taken on the class of 2002 as their advisor. They are very lucky to have such a wonderful person.
Tonight, each contestant will be judged on their confidence, crowd reaction, originality, and showmanship in each of the 4 portions of the show. This will decide who is third, second, and first runner-up, and of course, who is Mr. KHS. The judges will also be voting on Mr. Photogenic and Mr. Crowd Pleaser. Another award is Mr. Personality, which was previously voted on by the contestants.
Okay, without anything further, we're going to bring out the guys, and our first portion this evening will be casual wear. During casual wear, they will be introduced by name and by the nicknames which they have selected to wear on their sashes, Mr. whatever they may have come up with. This adds to the originality of each guy, and it will give you a little bit of a clue as to how their personality is. We're also going to give you some statistics about them, like their height, their eye color, hair color, etc., and their astrological sign.
Here is contestant number 1, Jimmy Lemire, Mr. Hot Stuff. He is escorted tonight by Becky Desjardins. Jimmy stands 6 feet tall. He has beautiful blue eyes, and his hair color is dyed. Mr. Hot Stuff is a Virgo. Thank you, Jimmy.
Next, we have contestant number 2, Brad Beausoleil. Mr. John Blaze. He will be escorted tonight by Jessica Tavernier. Brad stands a whopping 5'5" with brown hair and brown eyes. Mr. John Blaze displays the sign of the Gemini.
Our next contestant is Justin Dumas, Mr. Lady Love and Dumas. His escort for tonight is Jessica Simonzi. Justin stands 5 feet 11 inches tall. He has hazel eyes and brown hair. Mr. Lady Love and Dumas is a Virgo.
Thank you, Justin. Contestant number 4 this evening is Danny Espisa. Mr. BLT stands for Big Lovin' Tiger. His escort for tonight, he will be escorted by Tiffany Supernaut. Danny stands 6 feet tall. He describes his eye color as blue, like the passionate oceans, and his hair color is yellow. Mr. BLT is a Libra. Thank you, Dan.
Here is contestant number 5, Joe Mahalik, Mr. Mister. He is escorted tonight by Katie Lorenzen. Joel stands 5'6" with brown eyes and auburn hair. Mr. Mister is a Gemini. Thank you, Joel.
Our Our next contestant is Ben Hiscock. Mr. I Got All You Need. His escort this evening is Stephanie Tatro. Ben is 5'5" with brown eyes and brown hair. Mr. I Got All You Need is an Aquarius. Thank you, Ben.
Contestant number 7 is Chris Lemire. Mr. Latin Lover Antonio. He will be escorted by Courtney Mann tonight. Chris is 5'11" with brown eyes and what he refers to as seasonal hair. Mr. Latin Lover Antonio displays the sign of the Taurus. Thank you, Chris.
Please welcome contestant number 8, Brian Tenike. Mr. Hiscock. Brian will be escorted this evening by Stephanie Gregoire. Brian stands 5'5" with brown eyes and brown hair. Mr. Hiscock is a Pisces. Thank you, Brian.
Contestant number 9 is Jimmy right there, Mr. Nip. He is escorted by Laura Brown. Jimmy Ray is 5'7" with green tie-dyed eyes and blonde hair. Mr. Nip's sign is the Capricorn.
Thank you, Jimmy. Our next contestant is Nathan Raymond. Mr. Lips. Tonight he will be escorted by Valerie Isaac. Nathan stands 6 feet tall with red eyes and brown hair. Must be tired. Mr. Lips is a Leo. Thank you, Nathan.
Here is contestant number 11, Justin Nicholas Bethany. Mr. Lava Lava. He will be escorted by Mary Rose Roach tonight. Justin is 6 feet tall with hazel eyes and cognac and burgundy hair. Mr. Lava Lava is a Pisces. Thank you, Justin.
Next we have contestant number 12, Ganesh Singh, Mr. Lovable. Aww. He is escorted tonight by Erica Breton. Gano stands 5'7". He has dark brown eyes and black hair. Mr. Lovable is a Taurus. Thank you, Gano.
Here is contestant number 13, Ryan Goodrow, Mr. Exuberance. He will be escorted this evening by Haley Petricola. Ryan is 5 feet 11 inches tall and has brown eyes and brown hair. Mr. Exuberance is a Scorpio. Thank you, Ryan.
Our next contestant is Chris Blanchard, Mr. Sensitive. He is escorted tonight by Casey Duclos. Chris stands 5'11" with brown eyes and brown hair. And Mr. Sensitive is a Leo. Thank you, Chris.
Contestant number 15 is Ray Durand, Mr. Marvelous. He is escorted by Carrie Hall. Ray is 5 feet 10 inches tall. He has blue eyes and brown hair. Mr. Marvelous is a Capricorn. Thank you, Ray.
And our final contestant this evening, number 16, is George Exarchulius. Mr. Triple X will be escorted this evening by Megan Maynard. George stands 5'9" with brown eyes and brown hair. Mr. Triple X is also a Capricorn. Thank you, George.
Next, we will have the boys in their beachwear. In this portion, you will find out just what it is that these boys like to do at the beach. And they will also be giving you their favorite pickup line. Once again, we have Mr. Hot Stuff, this time all ready for the beach. Jimmy's favorite beach activity is playing volleyball.
My favorite pickup line I use most of the time is, it's kind of simple. It's, hey baby, how you doing?
Thank you, Jimmy.
Here comes Mr. John Blaze, set for a day at the beach. Brad claims his favorite beach activity. Brad's favorite beach activity is rubbing baby oil all over the girls.
Sure, you too. My pickup line is, hey baby, wanna wrestle?
Thank you, Brad.
Here is Mr. Lady Lovendumas in his beachwear. At the beach, Justin enjoys checking out all the ladies. Go ahead.
Did it hurt? When you fell from heaven?
Watch out for Mr. BLT. Dan claims his favorite beach activity.
Baby, if I could rearrange the alphabet, I'd put you and I together. You, out of the water.
Thank you, Dan. Dan's favorite beach activity was beaching.
Here is Mr. Mister, all set for some time in the sun.
It's pretty hot. It's real hot. I gotta go get something to drink. I'll be back. All right, go something to drink.
Joel says that his favorite part about a day at the beach is swimming with the fishies.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Baby, your feet must hurt because you've been running through my mind all day.
Thank you, Joel.
Here once again, we have Mr. I Got All You Need, this time in his beachwear. Ben's favorite beach activity is waxing his bikini line. Ouch.
Yo, baby, use these yours? I don't know.
Thank you, Ben.
Here comes Mr. Latin lover Antonio, who claims his favorite beach activity is rubbing.
If you could bottle love, I would never let you out.
Chris's favorite beach activity was rubbing oil on the backs of young, needy girls.
And here is Mr. Hiscock showing us his beach attire. Brian says that he really enjoys getting stung by the jellyfish when he goes to the beach.
Thank you. So, baby, what's your middle name? Mine too.
Thank you, Brian.
Once again, we have Mr. Nip. A day at the beach just wouldn't be any fun without getting tangled in industrial runoff. Thank you, Jimmy.
Next, we have Mr. Lips, who says that what he enjoys most about the beach is burying people up to their heads in the sand.
Baby, I know what you want. Yeah.
Thank you, Nathan.
Here comes Mr. Leva Leva. Justin's favorite beach activities are surfing and playing fetch with his dog, Sammy. Aww.
Hey, baby, what's up with that frown? Why don't you come over here and let me turn it upside down?
Thank you, Justin.
Watch out, girls. Here comes Mr. Lovable. Gano says his favorite beach activity is tanning. He mustn't go very often.
Okay, here goes, ladies. You are but a rose in my garden, and without you, I'm just dirt.
Thank you, Gano.
Again, we have Mr. Exuberance, who claims his favorite beach activity is skinboarding. Ouch.
Somebody had better call heaven because there's an angel in the room.
Here comes Mr. Sensitive, who tells us a day at the beach should always include sleeping and reading. Relaxation is what it's all about.
You guys got a quarter? 'Cause my mom told me to call it when I fell in love.
Thank you, Chris.
Next is Mr. Marvelous. Ray tells us that his favorite beach activity is swimming.
What do you want? What do you want? Hey, yo, baby, you want some of this?
Thank you, Ray.
And once again, here comes Mr. Triple X. George says his favorite beach activity is hanging out and checking out the girls when he goes to the beach.
Damn, girl, I thought bear pine only came in a bottle.
Thank you, George. We will now have a very brief intermission, and when we come back, we'll have the talent portion. Okay, before we start our talent portion, we just want to say that the one request of our classmate Amy Baker was to have this videotape for her because she's really, really upset that she couldn't be here because she's in the hospital. So we're just wanting to let you all know that, you know, we want to say hi to Amy. She's watching right now, and she's in our thoughts and in our prayers.
First up for the talent portion is Jimmy and Ben doing Sonny and Cher.
They say we're young and we don't know. We won't find out till we grow. Well, I don't know if all that's true, 'cause you got me, baby, I got you. Hey, I got you, babe. I got you, babe. They say our love won't pay the rent before it's earned. Our money's all been spent. I guess that's so we don't have a plot, but at least I'm sure of all the things we got. Babe, I got you, babe. I got you, babe. I got flowers in the spring. I got you to wear my ring. And when I'm sad, you're a clown. And if I get scared, you're always around. So let them say your hair's too long, 'cause I don't care. With you I can't go wrong. Then put your little hand in mine. There ain't no hill or mountain we can't climb. Babe, I got you, babe. I got you, babe. I got you to hold my hand. I got you to understand. I got you to walk with me. I got you to talk with me. I got you to kiss goodnight. I got you to hold me tight. I got you, I won't let go. I got you to love me so. I got you, babe.
Well, that's a pretty tough act to follow. Our next talent is going to be... Okay, sorry. Little backstage stuff. Next we have Brad Beausoleil and Ray Duran. They're going to do Milli Vanilli.
what are you doing back?
Well, I sat back and thought about the things we used to do. It really meant a lot to me. You mean a lot to me.
I really mean that much to you?
Girl, you know it's true.